Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can decline your incoming call on your iPhone. So to do this, what we need to do is just go over here. As you can see, there is a button. So you have to press it twice like this. If you press it once, it will be like making it to silent mode, but you have to press this button over here twice in order to decline this. That's what you have to do. And why this is very important. So right there, as you can see, we don't have any decline option over here. So it's not easy for it to decline it. So, and that is why Apple introduced it. This is very an option how we can decline this. So to make it more convenient, if you want to do it in some kind of meetings and all those things, if you're on busy, and if you want to completely decline this, as you can see, we don't have any option here. But only the one solution is we have to press this button over here twice. If you press it once, it will be like in the silent mode. But if you press it twice like this, the phone will be completely declined, and that's all we have to do. So that's quite as it is. So just take it off this particular one. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have anything in the comment sections, do let us know so we can improve. So bye. That's it.